I found a love.
Hi, B. Sobrang thankful ako kay Lord kasi binigay niya sa akin at sobrang blessing. Dahil ikaw yung kapartner ko na makasama ko habang buhay. Sobrang excited na ako na magsimula ang forever natin. I love you so much.
Hey baby, I just want to tell you how happy I am and how lucky I am as a man to be here in front of you, in front of everybody, and in front of God, just proclaiming the love that we have for each other, despite of all the things that we go through, despite of all the trials, and despite of everything else that will come in the future. I know that God has planned greater things for us. I just want to tell you how much I love you and how much I'm looking forward to our future together. I love you, Marge.